guys, so today is August 27th, 2012, and here is today's vlog. So I don't know where you are right now, but as I'm recording this, it is pouring rain here in New Jersey. Pouring, and it has been for the past 45 minutes, and there's thunder and lightning, and here's a clip of it. A jar of topics today, so let me get my jar. Here's the jar, so let me pick. Oh, so the first one I picked is the 5 last downloaded songs. So I'm just gonna use iTunes, of course. So, okay, so the last one was Of Mice and Men, Little Talks. Then Owl City and Carly Rae Jepsen, Good Time. Fun, Some Nights. Whistle, Flow Rider. And Taylor Swift, We Are Never Ever Getting Back Together. Yes, those are my recent songs I downloaded. I downloaded them on the 21st, all of them. Which is pretty funny. So I'm going to do one more for today. Okay. Tattoos. Yeah, I don't know. I forgot the first O on here, so I wrote it over. I don't know what I'm thinking. Okay, so tattoos. I have 2. The first one I got was last summer, and the second one I got was in February of this year. I love them. I'll show you. Here's my first one. Okay, so, and then here's my second one. And yeah, I love them, and I want another one. It was so funny because when I first got my first one on my wrist, Ken and Kathy were like, they're addictive. Once you get one, you always end up with at least 3. And I have 2, and I want a third one so bad. I want one on my foot, but I heard it hurts a lot, but I really want it, so I don't know. So I've been thinking about it, and then I'll save up, because they're not cheap. Not at all. Well, the small ones are, but, like, Carly has 2, and hers were big, and my next one's gonna be big and colorful. Like, my 2 are pretty simple and black, so I can't wait to get my next one so bad. I want it so bad, so bad. Okay, so that's all for today, and here's another clip of the rain. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.